Wow! I'm so happy that you clicked on this video because now I can show you a legitimate cash generating system. Once you activate the system, you will receive $53 over and over again. This may appear to be a tiny number, but it adds up quickly, snowballs into a significant sum of revenue. There are also users who have taken these to $1,000 or even $2,000 in a single day. And I'm so pleased for you because this will completely improve your life and give you the breakthrough you deserve. Now envision yourself being entirely debt-free. Having paid off all your debts and never having to worry about money again. So give your undivided attention for the next few minutes so you won't miss any important steps. Hey, welcome to MoneyTalk, where we discuss everything about money. And for this video, we are going to talk about how to earn $53 just by clicking on this website that I will be sharing with you. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons and be the first to check out our latest videos. There are people from all around the world who profit from this service and successfully withdraw their gains from $10 to $50, which quickly add up to thousands of dollars within days. So let's take a look at the first website, Inboxpayscom. So on this website, you may make a lot of extra cash with a single click. You simply provide your name, email address, birth date, zip code, and gender. Then click on I'm not a robot, and you agree to the terms and conditions. When you sign up, you will immediately receive a $5 free sign-up bonus. It's free money for you. So once you sign up, you must complete the following steps in order to make additional money on this website. So this is basically how it works. Step 1 is to register for free, which I have already shown you, and then you will receive your $5 sign-up bonus. On this website, you can find many offerings such as playing games or reading emails, performing services, and earning extra money. There are numerous income streams integrated into a single website. Step 3 is that you can redeem your cash and receive your funds immediately. For this website, it will take you 3 days to send and receive your money within your account. So let me show you the distinct ways to make money. The first of which is cash mail. So they will send you emails, and if you open and read them, they will pay you money every time you click on the email. The second option to make money on this website is through cash offers, where you can find various things to do such as downloading applications on your phone, viewing videos, and taking surveys to earn extra cash on a regular basis. And technique 3 is to spin the wheel to generate money. So for example, if you're going to play online games, you can spin the jackpot to earn extra cash. As you can see, there are people who are making $5 or more if they win the lottery. Ultimate prizes if you get extra points. You can use them to spin the wheel and cash in on the extra money, and you can even refer your friends to win an extra 10 points. Hey, I want to know if you've already worked on websites like this before. You know what? Let me know in the comment section below so that we can talk about it. So let me now show you the second website where you can make quick money online, which is rewardingways.com. On this website, they have been paying out over $1.4 million, right? Almost $1.5 million to their members worldwide now again. This website is 100% free, and they pay out in many different payment options within 24 hours, and the payment is very fast. You can pay out using PayPal, you can do Skrill, you can do Amazon gift card, you can do Bitcoin. So people are cashing out their money and making actual money on this website on a regular basis. Therefore, this is how you can make money as well. So first and foremost, you will complete various offers such as services that allow you to redeem money on numerous payment ways on the same day. So there are also other ways to make money such as watching videos, downloading apps, doing paid trials, surveys, and different offers to earn points, which you can then convert into real, cold, hard cash right away to actual money. So if you want to sign up for a free worldwide account and get an extra bonus, I want you to simply click on the Join Free button at the home section of Rewarding Ways. Now that you've clicked the button, you can use it to make money. So it's quite simple. It will take you around 30 seconds to finish the registration. Simply enter your name, log in, password, email, and mailing address, which is extremely crucial, and select the country where you'll be staying. So this website has lately teamed with some of the largest corporations. So when you log into your account, you will notice a variety of services such as daily paid service, live paid service, personality questionnaires, and other paid surveys. I want you to concentrate now on a daily paid service because I know you want to make a lot of money online every day on a consistent basis. So this website provides you with new daily surveys to complete. You can complete as many as you want, but you must first join into your account. The third website where you can make money online and earn cash daily is iPoll.com. iPoll is a survey site that offers cash rewards, gift cards, and sweepstakes entries in exchange for completing surveys that they provide. So on this website, it's actually a very simple and very easy method that is definitely legit. Like legit. Okay, now basically this is how it works. You have to listen, okay? So this is an online and mobile community wherein unique opportunities are provided to you daily, but all you have to do is answer questions about, different products and services. They can also send you a lot of offers, a lot of surveys, and a lot of jobs that you can do on a daily basis online from your home. So by simply using any device, you can cash out your money using PayPal or using Apple, iTunes, or using Amazon gift card. So when you log into your account and begin doing surveys, it's actually extremely simple. All you have to do is answer different questions by clicking on the boxes and then clicking on the next button. It's truly very simple, taking about 5 minutes or less to finish each survey. What makes iPoll so special is that it encourages you to conduct surveys using their mobile app, thus the name iPoll, rather than traditional web method. However, you may still complete surveys using a regular browser by logging into their website. So now that you know all of this information, which website would you want to try? Comment down below so that we can get the conversation going. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Click subscribe and hit that notification bell to receive updates on our latest videos. If you want to watch more videos, you can just head on over to our channel to see more from MoneyTalk. See you!